This video presents our semester project of Embedded System 2 course titled Trust-Based Beam Balancing System. Group number is 15. Members include Said Yazib Hussain Zadi, Husnain Maroof, and Andreas. Submitted to respected Sir Shujat Ali. The main aim of this project is to balance a beam using controlled thrust instead of traditional mechanical sports. A sensor continuously measures the tilt of the beam and sends this data to a microcontroller. The microcontroller TIVA processes the information and calculates the required thrust. Based on this, it controls the motor speed to maintain balance. This project demonstrates key embedded system concepts such as sensor interfacing, feedback control, and real-time system design.
So this is our microcontroller, which is TM4C123GH6PM, and behind this we have PCB, and above from this we have our MPU 6050, and on the left side of MPU 5060 we have BLDC motor, which is 1400 kV, and on the right side we have laser sensor transmitter, and below we have laser sensor receiver. And the right side is just the replica of left side. This is our main supply which we are using for our project. This is of 50 amps and 12 volt. So here we have two current sensors which are respectively connected to ESC1 and ESC2. So here now we have two dampers, damper 1 and damper 2.
So I will tell you about the description of this project. So first of all, we are using, as discussed, TIVA microcontroller, which is working as the brain of our project. So our project is mainly about the beam balancing, so therefore we are using two BLDC motors, and for that we are powering it through ESC, and we are using this laser sensor to calculate the RPM of the motor. Similarly, the working of that laser sensor and motor is same. So this is our MPU 6050, which is used to calculate the current angle of our beam. So when this MPU 6050 calculate the current angle, it gives the signal to the PID controller, which is in our code, and the PID controller calculate the error between 0 degree to the current angle, and then give pulse to the motor RPM at that speed that both get work and make the beam stable.